Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use your microphone in ChatGPT. So let's start. If you want to talk with the ChatGPT using your voice instead of typing, this guide is for you. Let's get started. So here you can see the microphone icon next to the message box in ChatGPT. This option is called dictate. Just click on it and now you can speak directly to ChatGPT. Whatever you say will automatically be converted into text on the screen. I just click on this option. So here you can see your voice converted into text. So this is a way you can conversation with your ChatGPT. It's a super useful when you don't want to type or when you want to hand-free conversation. Okay, that's it. This is how you can easily use the microphone or dictate option in ChatGPT to chat using your voice. Okay. And if your microphone doesn't work in your ChatGPT, it means your browser may ask for microphone permission. For this setting, you just go to the right hand side top corner, click on the three dot and click on the second last option settings. And here you can see the settings tab is open and left hand side you can see the all settings option. Click on the privacy and security, just scroll down and click on the site setting. Scroll down again and here click on the microphone option. And here again scroll down and you can see the one option allowed to use your microphone. Here the ChatGPT website is already selected, therefore I can use microphone in my ChatGPT. In this option, your ChatGPT website is not added, so you can add it easily. So I show you how it's add. So I just delete this, just click on the delete, and now I go to the ChatGPT. Okay, in search bar, you can see chatgpt.com. Just click on this option and here click on the site settings and you can see here the chatgpt.com site setting is open. Now in permission, click on the third option, microphone. And here just click on the drop down arrow and click on the allow and that's it. Now in chatgpt.com, microphone is allowed. Now you can use the microphone easily. So this is a way you can setting in your Chrome browser. After that, you can see the reload this page to apply your updated setting on the side. I just click on the reload and now you can use your microphone. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like these, please subscribe. Thank you so much.